Hello kabayan! Welcome to Newville Townhomes. Join us our open house this Saturday, February 15, 2025 and see what we offer. So you can avail our 10% down payment for as low as 7,500 lang. Mapapasayo na tong bahay na to. At hindi lang dyan nagtatapos dahil meron tayong window type aircon, non-inverter at exclusive appliances promo pa. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara masamahan nyo na kami sa Saturday? Because Newville Townhomes is a residential development located in Barangay Sanha Mayor, Tansa, Cavite, offering a blend of modern convenience and serene living. Developed by Durable Realty Development Corporation, and this project features for 2-story townhomes with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and living room, dining area, kitchen and carport. And also, this is very accessible to Manila nearby provinces. And it also a complete amenities like clubhouse, playground, basketball court, and also swimming pool. And we do guarantee the 100% flat free and available through Pag-ibig, bank financing, and in-house. For a total TCP range is 3,380,000. And for the reservation for only 20,000, mapapasa inyo na yung bahay na to. At talong highway lang po ito ng Tansa, 13. Malapit lang po ito sa SM Tansa, 5 minutes away lang din at 7 minutes away to Pure Tansa, 8 minutes away to Robinson General Trias, at 7 minutes away naman to Vista Mall, Tansa, Cavite. At malapit lang po ito sa Anyana Bypass Road at sa tinatayong pinakamalaking establishmento dito sa Cavite, yan ay ang Maple Grove. Anong pang inaantay nyo? Tara na, sama-sama tayong magpunta ngayong February 15 dito lang sa Newville Homes, Tansa, Cavite. For more details and free tripping, you may call 0945-411-5364 or direct message to Almery Uwayan Francisco or sa aming Better Place Real Estate